My name is I.M. Paramal. Our company name is Mission Machineries India Pvt Ltd. Established in 1999 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. We do manufacture sheet metal related machineries like shearing, press brake, hydraulic presses, busbar rolling and busbar punching and plate rolling, iron worker likewise. Okay. So this company is basically started with the Indian technology, and we cater all over the world for our products. Okay. So this is 23rd year of this company. We supplied all over the globe about 5,000 plus machines, and we are doing direct sales and service all over India and abroad. So this company is a very significant company to cater all type of that is starting from basic hydraulic to NC, CNC and IN CNC products itself. So that's why we cater varieties of customers in various segments of industries. So this is basic information about the company. This is the first time participation in HIMTEX, Hyderabad. So we look forward to very good customers. It is happening here. That organizers are doing very good arrangements for facilities and features, and every coordination is very better.